Listening. You are going to listen to a program about trees. In today's natural world, Professor Jeremy Beach is going to answer listeners' questions about trees. Welcome to the program. Hello. Can we have our first question, please? Hello. I'd like to ask the professor about the tallest tree in the world. Where is it, and how tall is it? The tallest tree in the world is a giant sequoia, and it's in California. It's 83.8 meters tall. Scientists say it's between 2,300 and 2,700 years old. That's incredible. Now, let's move on to our second caller. Hello. I know a tree's leaves help it to take in light from the sun, but I'd like to ask what the bark of a tree does. Well, the bark is like our skin. It protects the living part of the tree and the tubes which carry water from a tree's roots to its leaves. If the bark is badly damaged, the tree dies. Animals, such as goats, love eating bark, so it's especially important to keep animals away from young trees. Thank you. What's the next question? Hi, I'd like to ask, how is it possible to calculate the age of a tree by counting its rings, without cutting the trees down? Good question. Perhaps you could start by explaining what the rings are and that this caller is referring to. Well, most trees grow bigger every year. Just under the bark, there is a circle of soft cells which hardens every spring or summer. This forms a ring of new wood each year. This means we can calculate the age of a tree by counting the rings. You can see the rings if you cut the tree down, but how do you do this without killing the tree? You can drill into the tree to make a deep, narrow hole. We then extract a very thin piece of wood which doesn't damage to the tree. And are the rings the same width every year? No, they aren't. The width depends on the climate and the amount of rain. If there is a lot of rain during the year, the rings are quite wide. If it's a dry year, the rings are narrower. In this way, we can find out what the weather was like hundreds of years ago when the tree was young. Really? Well, I'm afraid that's all we have time for in today's program. Thanks to everyone. Now, choose the correct answer. The world's tallest tree is nearly 84 or 94 meters tall. The answer is 84. The tallest tree is between 2 and 300 or 1,000 years old. It's 1,000. Tubes carry water from the roots or bark to the leaves. The answer is roots. 4. Goats and other animals can kill or eat trees by damaging the bark. The answer is kill. Every year, soft cells or tubes below the bark of a tree form a new wood. The answer is cells. When a thin piece of wood is removed from a tree, little or a lot of damage is done to the tree. The answer is little. The more rain there is in a year, the narrower or the wider the tree rings are. The answer is wider. Thanks for listening. With للفهم, learn easily and simply.